Today I'm gonna show you my new mod, but first I have a new question before the mod continue. What mod I will show you today? Hey Emerald, Bilatas Laduli. You should write the correct answer below and I will share the links. For those who don't know, if you don't wrongly answer, I will better next time, but you need to check the description below if you want this. Okay, the answer is emerald. First thing is the emerald tools and armors. Well, I can't open. Oh, you see that? So, you see this. But if you want to do this, that's not only a mod, but you need a texture. If you don't use the texture, your armors and stuff will be get chainmail. And the things that you need is only emerald and this plug to craft stuff. Okay. If you enjoy watching, please leave a like and subscribe below. Yeah. See you next time in my next mod. Bye bye.